And hello guys, greetings, welcome to another new video. Today we will not be doing self-defense training and gaming, but something else. As you can see on the lower camera, this will be navigators, stars and planets. So I will translate you as much as my abilities what is in this book, so we can pursue the knowledgeable part of the channel regarding science, not just training and all other stuff. So just a sec to see how to place this so you can see better. Maybe yeah, maybe like this. Yeah, stars and planets. Yeah, so without further ado, let's start with this book. It is good. It has good layers of paper. Stars and Planets, Dr. Michael Goldsmith. Little B is the manufacturer. So we can see here that we have Watching the Stars by number 4, Universe at 6, Galaxies at 8, Sun System, Sun, Mercury and Venus, Land, Mars, Earth actually, Jupiter and Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, debris from universe, universe clouds, weird stars, death to stars, some shaping of universe differently. First flies to the universe, other side of the sky, cities on the sky, international ships, interstellar ships, life outside planet Earth, and the index explore and other stuff. So let's start. So we have here, as you can see, stars and planets, watching in stars. Let's see what it says here. Star, yeah, here. Star, a giant ball of gas which manufacture warmth and light. That's a star. So that is the definition of a star. It has it's beautiful coloring and vivid pictures. I will say. Yeah. So let's go. Thousands of years. Humans watched star sky and asked questions. For centuries, telescopes gave them answers, and they started to ask even more questions. When they tried to understand weird planets and distant stars, scientists use pictures acquired by telescopes as those on Earth. So those who travel through the universe high above us. Radio telescope. This is how radio telescope looks like. So there is lots of kinds of light which we can't see, but which can register special telescopes. These one on Hawaii's catch radio waves from the stars. Lots of minutes is needed to make a photo. In that time, stars are circularly moved on sky because Earth is revolving, spinning around its own not wasp center, its own field. As I say, star and light arrive to us many years later. So we can see this. So we see the star. So we see the star how it look like, not how it looks like right now, because stars travels. Light travels fast, but we are so distant. So that's the point. So we read this. Let's see here. Observatorium. in the desert of Arizona, United States of America, in national observation, whale pick or kit pick. I don't know how it. There is 19 optical telescopes. Telescopes with the help of giant mirrors acquire light from the stars and create their images. So solar panels create, we can see solar panels create sunlight to electricity, which Hubble is powered. This is the telescope Hubble, as we can see. This picture, it looks cool, honestly. Space telescope Hubble. Lots of our best photographs of the universe is manufactured by this optical telescope. Just yeah, like this. This is right. Optical. Hubble is in orbit from year 1990, when he is equipped in the universe using space shuttle. He manufactures a lot clearer images than the telescopes on Earth can do. Moving of air in Earth atmosphere blurs images. Stars, let's see, stars, all seemingly smirk like this, because he flies above our atmosphere. Hubble does not have that problem. In the front piece, there is primary mirror, which collects light and maintains it send it to the secondary mirror. That mirror focuses light on the stuff that detectors which create image. Okay, it is interesting. So let's continue to the page 5. Page 5 says right here, watching the stars. I watched oftenly with curious how to say this, with curious excitement, let's say. And planets, planets and the unmovable stars. Galileo, 1564 to 1642. Italian astroscientist and the physician. Yeah. Communicational antenna, which sends information between Hubble and Earth, with the middle help. Honestly, I don't know every word to translate very good. To satellite to universe, you can see this is this right here. So just a second, guys. So let's put this here. Yeah. Let's continue like this. It's better. So what we're gonna read now. In orbit, Space Telescope Hubble flies on height of 569 kilometers above our planet. He orbits around Earth, which means that he constantly moves on a line above it, with speed of 28,000 kilometers per hour. He needs 97 minutes to make one leap around the planet. Imagine, guys, 28,000 kilometers per hour. The fastest I don't know, animal runs about 100 and some, Formula 350 kilometers. Even the space shuttle missile, don't think that flies. We will learn actually. Flies that much. It's incredible. Uncovering the secrets, uncovering the secrets of the universe. Yeah. So observation. Observation. Super K. Space is full of tiny. Space is full of tiny, very quick, invisible particles, which are called neutrons, and it's very hard. They are very hard to detect. Observatorium Super Chemicon or Super K in Japan. It's located on the depth from about 1 kilometer above Earth and contains 50,000 tons of water. Neutrons sometimes, they sometimes, how to say, cause small flashes of light in water. Those flashes are detected by glass tubes, which are the walls of observatorium are made of. Let's speak like that. Now we reached the universe. Let's start with, let's place it like here. It's easier. So, stars and planets. Look, the imagery is great. Universe, cosmos, all that is. About 13.7 billion. Yeah, billion. I think it's years ago. A universe started. Time was created, space and energy, and universe began to expand with rapid speed. Those expansion, even a lighter flash, which stayed after those old beginning, last even today. Now let's see. We can hear like this starting point. The cause of Big Bang is greatest unresolved science mystery. So, again, this is a book from early 2000s. Scientific theories differ a little bit, but regarding science, this is about how universe started, at least a theory. So let's read. The start of the Big Bang is greatest. Okay, we read that. Universe had universe had a rapid jump into the speed of expanding. So less than 1 billion of piece of seconds. So imagine the speed. It's impossible for human brain to imagine it. Electrons and anti-electrons created in a laboratory in early stadium universe that happened natural way. Okay, this is this 1 second. This is the image. I cannot understand very much this. I understood when we talk about Hubble and this. This is understandable. This is a little bit more difficult to grasp it at right now. When universe cooled enough, tiny particles of matter and antimatter were formed. Already during those first seconds, most of these particles was mutually destroyed. Have mutually destroyed each other. Okay, when universe cooled down. Okay. Sun is about 3 times younger than universe. Younger, okay. Dark matter and dark energy. For our Gothic viewers. Greater part of universe is most of universe is invisible because each galaxy is full of dark matter, which can how to say this, be made from particles of unknown kind. The whole universe is filled with dark energy, mysterious force which resists gravitational attraction. Blue lightning is dark matter. Purple areas are simple matter, so we can see. So purple areas are simple matter. This is here, and blue lightning is dark. So this is actually here. Yeah. Blue. Okay. Compound of universe. Neutrons 0.3%, stars 0.5%, heavy elements 0.03%, free oxygens and helium 4%, dark energy 70%, dark energy 25%. Okay, this is the picture. So let's continue. Now we have the size and the age of universe is unrecognizable, unthinkable to human beings. Lost somewhere between giantness and eternity, there is our tiny planetary home. Carl Sagan, 1934, he was born and died in 1996. American astronaut and astrophysicist. Now we have 1,000 year. What's it? That's. Okay. We assumed that matter have not evenly spread through the universe, but gradually, gravitational force of tiny clouds attracted even more of matter, which their how to say, a compound which is not like water but like jelly. Don't know the word. Have yet more increased. Galaxies will later disappear in those clouds, which are down there shown with blue color. So let's see which with blue color. Now I will try to show you the image like this from this. Okay, let's go. Now we finish page 6. Page number 7. Yeah. When universe cooled down to about 3,000 degrees Celsius. Yeah, 3,000 degrees Celsius. From tiniest particles, atoms were created, mostly with how to say this. Mostly with don't know this how to say in English. This is just no. At that moment, universe could shine with light. We can see here electrons, protons, atom of first part of this is like water on English, so oxygen is not this. Don't know. Sorry guys. My brain is right now cannot remember the word. 380 years, 100,000 years. We're gonna. This is the now universe. Follow the map. Universe at first sight changed very rapidly and then slower. So this chronological picture is not in scale. Okay, what is the best we have right now in the book? Let's finish this and go to this, and we will wrap up the episode of science. So 300 millions, 300 millions, 300 million years. This is how it looks like. It's great, honestly. It's interesting. First generation of stars was made from oxygen. No, it's air. From helium. I don't know this. During their life, in their heavy elements clustered, and when they died as supernovas, those elements expanded throughout the whole universe. On picture down there, you can see how the creation of the first star might have looked like. Yeah. What does this is the site when you can space origins, when you can check this even better. 13.7 billion years. So today, heavy elements from the first stars, part of the sun and other stars. Heavy elements from the first stars are part of the sun and other stars which exist today. Temperature of today universe is, after several billions years, dropped to minus 270 degrees. Imagine the cold, guys. I don't know if you know on Siberian and the poles, north and east, or north and south, temperatures can drop about minus 50, minus 60, but this is minus 270. That's if human went there, he would be frozen in a few milliseconds. That's maybe half a second, because it's so cold. It's unimaginably cold for us who to experience without some protection, of course, even if you could. Great cooling and great puncturing and cracking is the better word. There is two main theories about the future of the universe. He may continue to expand endlessly, slower, but never disappear, never stop. All stars will burn out, and in the end everything will become cold and dark. Great cooling. But there are signs and theories that the universe expands even faster and faster, and one day galaxies and stars and planets and atoms could destroy, torn their cells, the great thawing. So this is the Big Bang. Universe today is about here. So we have two theories about this. Of course, this is a scientific approach, and we must, in my opinion, connect it to religion, because I believe, my personal opinion, that science that contradicts religion is just a poor translation of religion, honestly. So I think it's some Islamic scholars said that. So that's it. We are already about 25-minute mark. So guys, I hope you enjoyed our special episode concerning the secrets of the universe and other stuff which we will just to remember the word, which we will cover in our episodes. Of course, this is the first part, creation of the universe. There will be, you can guess what's next when you finish this. There's gonna be creation of life, modern society, and the end we'll go to history and future. But we'll start slowly going into science and everything. So, guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to place that thumb button, to subscribe, to write a comment. I'm always glad to answer and listen to your constructive criticism and what you think is bad, good, could be improved. I always have patience and energy and feel to speak with people who express their opinion in a normal, civilized manner. Of course, I think that's the basics of civilization in our modern world. Without it, there will be just pure violence, honestly. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned, stay hard, keep training, keep learning, keep fighting. Everything will be okay. God bless, as I always want to say in the end. No matter which religion are you, Christian or part of one of the many denominations of Christianity, Muslim, Jewish, etc., etc. Even the part of Buddhism has, which I learned, and Eastern ways of martial arts like karate and aikido and judo have calming aspect to life. So of course I will say, don't think negatively. Everything will be fine and okay. Those who I will dedicate an episode to mental illness in modern world regarding depression and everything. And the best cure is, just to wrap up the episode, just to say, because it is important, best cure is to avoid those things that destroy your moral soul, those sins. So many, not just thinking about the Christian way of Catholic, Orthodox, Protestant, Pentecostal, etc., Lutheran sin, but all which is scientifically proven that destroys your soul, destroys your inner peace. Compare only yourself to yourself. Think positively, surround yourself with good, righteous, positive people. Know that is not the end. That is only the part, like first halftime of football game, soccer game. So don't stress about it. Try not to think about it. Work and live your life to the fullest. Don't worry. We have a savior. Everything will be okay. Even without religious approach. There's so many comforting ways to speak about it, because I know lots of guys today, even myself included, are struggled and about the questions about those stuff. So take care, guys. Just stay safe. Remember, there are people who respect you, who love you, who want to help you. I am one of those people who wants, not to brag, who wants to help people. So take care. Do good stuff and enjoy. Welcome. Actually, not welcome. See you in the next video. Stay hard.